The LeanMail Master Archive is the other folder that we use in LeanMail. The reason why we separate them is because 95% of the time that you're searching for emails, you're looking for mails that you've received in the past couple of months. So there's no reason to cloud up the waters with mails that you've received years ago. So what I'm going to do is show you how to move those mails from your LeanMail archive to your master archive, and it's surprisingly easy. So first I'm going to come over here and click on my LeanMail archive. Notice I have 356 mails. Not that many, but still I'd like to pare down my search a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll sort by received, then I'll take all the older mails, and you should know that Microsoft calls anything older than 2 months older. That's where they get that signification. So I'm going to drag those mails right into my LeanMail Master Archive. So you can see that was pretty easy. And now instead of having to look through 300 and whatever that number was, I can look through just 45 mails and find what I'm looking for. So I can still sort by categories here, but you'll see that most of them only have 1 or 2 or 3 mails in them. Much easier to find my mail in. And if I look in my LeanMail Master Archive, I have the same categories, right? So of course I have more categories now because I have a lot more mails from actually years. So I'll have more categories because of that.